Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been generating over $100,000 a month in profit from meme coins. And no, it's not from trading them. Instead of risking your entire portfolio on one coin that could possibly rug, I actually focus on launching the coins myself, building them the right way from the beginning, and then cashing out when the momentum kicks in. That's exactly why diving meme coins is so consistent and so profitable. So if you're tired of losing money every single day from trading meme coins, well, this video is for you. Take a look at my Phantom wallet. All of this came from launching meme coins, not by buying them. I'm about to show you the exact strategy behind it and how I print from deving. If you're still trenching or trading meme coins right now, you are setting yourself up for failure on the long term. Why? Because most of these coins, okay, will rug and will go to zero, okay? It's proven. 98% of all meme coins are all dumps, and still to this day most traders buy in these coins and then they lose their entire report a couple minutes after, and they just blame the narrative or themselves. But the truth is that the devs are the ones profiting from all the traders. People like me, for example, all we're doing is launching coins with a decent narrative. We're just testing our luck, we're waiting for buyers, and then after that, when the market cap is high and the volume is really good, we cash out and we rinse and repeat that method over and over again 100 times a week, 1,000 times a month, you name it. Deving meme coins is low risk and high upside because you have nothing to lose compared to trading. All we're doing is launching coins and then cashing out. That's it. But trading though, you have to risk your money at every single trade. That's why the people who really understand this space are not chasing trades, they're building the coins themselves. So in this video, I will be doing a live launch in front of you guys, and we will go through it exactly step by step on how it works, okay, from a dev perspective, and we will see how much I can make in profits all in this video. So keep watching because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to launch your very first token and how you can start doing the same. And by the way bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I do not condone any financial advice, so please do your own research. But now it's time for the part where to launch our meme coins at. Now look, Pump.Fun dominated the meme coin space for a while now. Even right now, it's still really popular and thousands of people dev meme coins here. But now bro, it's oversaturated. Thousands of tokens, okay, are launching on Pump.Fun every single day. Not hundreds, but thousands. The feed is flooded with a bunch of Pump.Fun coins, and the truth is that you are just wasting your time if you are new to deving on Pump.Fun. No one is going to buy your coin if you have no motion on your wallet. It's really hard to gain organic buyers or for your coin to go viral on Pump.Fun just because the Pump.Fun DEX is over competitive. That's exactly why I have a different strategy that works for all the beginners, and that is launching on the Raydium DEX. Now I'm sure most of you guys know what the Raydium DEX is. It has more volume, it has a bunch of people waiting to buy your coin, and honestly bro, that's exactly why I launched there, to gain more people to buy my coin. Now look, the migrate section, also known as the Raydium DEX, gains a bunch of credibility when your coin goes to Raydium, and that's exactly why people are launching directly to Raydium without going through Pump.Fun and all the migration bonding curve steps. Now look, to make a coin on Raydium bro, do not use Pump.Fun. Instead use create meme.io, because when you create a meme coin here, it goes directly to Raydium without going through a bonding curve. And that's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad right here as devs, because it goes to Raydium immediately and you can gain a huge advantage over all the devs deving on other dexes like Pump.Fun. Alright, now how do you make a meme coin on create meme.io? But look, there's multiple options. It's really easy, trust me bro, do not overcomplicate things. You could either create a coin from scratch entirely from custom scratch by inventing a name, symbol, and image from a project, a community, a news coin, it could be anything, right? Or you can use their free X tracker and you can turn these tweets into coins. But in this video, we will be using the copy trending coins tab right here. Basically, bro, instead of creating a whole new custom coin from scratch, we will be using a coin that is going viral, and we will be copying it back to Raydium, where we can get a bunch of traders in our coin, right, using these viral narratives. All these coins are going viral on Pump.Fun right now as we speak. So they're proven and they have a bunch of buyers and a bunch of volume, and that's exactly what we are looking for when it comes to copying coins. But now it's time for the part that everyone was waiting for, and that is making money from deving. Right now we will be doing a live creation, and I will show you exactly the entire process of deving this coin. Now look, click on refresh, right, and then make sure Phantom Wallet is connected, and then you're set. Now look for a coin to copy, right? I'm gonna go for the airdrop coin. I completely chose it randomly. I'm assuming it's good since it's here, so click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom is going to show up, right? Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just give it some time for it to load. And boom, now if I go on SoloScan, right, it's minted, it's live, it's on chain. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now here, for example, is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool for this step of the launch process. It's really easy, bro. Do not overcomplicate it, okay? Once you know what you do, okay, it's going to be easy and quick. Now for the amount of coins, click on 90%. This will drop 900 million tokens. Right under, for the amount of SOL, here's where you will be buying some supply with your own Solana. Now look, you need to do this, okay, like that you can make profits while the coin goes up. Put 0.3 to 1 SOL, anything around there is good. You are not going to lose this. Once you exit, the Solana will come back to you, so it's not a big deal. Click on create pool. Your Phantom Wallet is going to pop up, and then just ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on the refresh button and then scroll down, and bang, the airdrop coin is live. Your P&L is going to be right there. And if you click on the refresh button to see how much you're up now, bang, we're up $155 now. This is insane. This means that copying coins is actually fucking insane, bro. This is exactly what I mean, bro. Like, bro, we're already up $150 within like 20 seconds. Now go on your trading platform, okay? You can go on Axiom, Photon, Terminal, Nova. It's up to you, okay? Then the coin should be live. And as you guys can see, okay, we are getting a bunch of fucking buyers right now as we speak. This is exactly why you have to start deving, bro. Like, look at this, bro. So many people are buying in. Every single second we're getting one buy or one sell. So that's insane. And this is the power of create Meme.io with the copy trending coin strategy on the Raydium DEX. All of these three combined fucking can print you a lot. Like, look at this, bro. We're printing transactions every single second, bro. And by the way, it costed us nothing to create this coin, so we have nothing to lose, and every single transaction is just profit in our pockets. Now look, I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump. I'll give it like a couple seconds. When I come back, I'll show you exactly how to cash out. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 10k market cap, which is usually my goal on all my launches. Now let's make some money, bro. Come back to create Meme.io, and look, bro, if you click on the refresh button to see how much you're up, you guys can see that we are up 2.3k from this meme coin launch. And remember, bro, I did no marketing. I just launched it on Raydium, and that is free promotion right there, so it's insane. Okay, now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your Phantom Wallet to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just devved a meme coin in front of you and I made 2.3k, all like that, bro. Profits. And guys, okay, the key here is to be consistent and launch multiple coins a day, an hour, the more that you can, bro. Push out volume, okay, build up that port, and then now you can move on to better stuff. But create meme.io will be linked down below in the description, bro. Like, subscribe, and join my Discord, and good luck to everyone who is deving.